Just imagine you just started your local SEO journey. You got first client and he's ready to pay you like somewhere around 500 to $1,000 a month. In the first month, you did a great work on the website and you start gradually getting ranking and getting calls for your clients. Suddenly, someone like Kema or any of your competitor go and hijack your profile. What will you do in that case? So I also faced this same situations for multiple clients, and when this happened with me for the first time, I was literally panicked, and that time I don't know how to fix that issue. But right now, after fixing more than 15 to 20 profiles and save them to hijack or disabled permanently from Google, I'll walk you through the exact process, how you can save your profile, how you can retain your client and can stop doing the same, and how you can stop these kind of people again do any changes to your profile. Let's go to this video. I'm giving you the real example. I had a client of AC repair last year, and I'll tell you the name of that person also. So it was you can see here, I still have the access of this profile. So we were managing this profile for almost last 1.5 years. Suddenly, I'll show you, I'll took some pictures. If you can see my screen. Yes. So we started working together in maybe January 2024, and almost 3 months later, look at how many calls the profile was getting. We started at almost 20 calls when they were getting 20 calls, and we helped them to reach almost 80-85 calls a month, which is almost 4 times calls which they were doing with their past SEO agency. So in 3-4 months, then suddenly one day I got an email that my profile is suspended. The reason was, let's assume this is my profile, this is my competitor's profile. I go click on suggest and edit, and then I click on the address, and then I just reallocate this pin. Right now their business is located here, and I just go and change the pin from that location to this one and click on submit. So in that case, if my profile is solid, we are not going to ruin anyone's business, so I just discarding. And my purpose was to just let you know that how this process actually works. So when you do suggest and edit and change the address of any of your competitor business, it will immediately suspend the profile of your client. Someone did same thing with us. We have not get any notification, like prior notification, that someone do any suggest and edit with us, with our profile, and do we need to accept it or not. When I go and check the ranking of my profiles, it was literally like disappeared overnight. I opened the profile, my address was changed. When I tried to reallocate the address, this time my profile got spent, because when you change the address through suggest and edit, it's external way of changing anything on your profile. So I always recommend you don't go and change anything directly from your dashboard. Just try to change the things using the suggest and edit. My client doesn't have the access of the address because he rented that address 1 year ago, and then he changed the address. So we cannot go and do the video verification just because of this one stupid thing from any of our competitor. We need to get an address in the Houston city. We need to pay like 2 or 3 months of rent. That was almost 6,000-7,000 USD. Then we need to wait for 2 weeks or 3 weeks to get done all the paperwork and all the agreements, rent agreements and all the stuff. And almost we lost all of our business for like 3 to 4 weeks in the peak season. So it was around $20,000-$25,000 of total loss for me and my client also. So after that, somehow we go and get the listing back like 1 month later. But I'll show you how you can stop it, anyone to change anything to your profile from suggest and edit feature. There is a tool right now in the market, Whitespark. So if you go to the Whitespark, there is a tool, you can go and buy it, and then it will, when anyone do any changes to your profile, you will get a notification. So each time, let's say someone do any changes on my profile, if I open my profile, and I'll show you how this looks like. So you can see here, turn off GBP management, location imported, and then the GBP update pending review. Until you go and approve your listing listing, approve your changes within this tool, it like no one can made any changes to your listing, right? You will get a notification that someone made the changes to your profile, which is related to anything. Like if someone changed your business name, you will get a notification. Someone changed the address, phone number, or your website, you will get notification each time, so that you can protect your profile and you can discard all the changes which happened directly from external source. So, and this tool is like almost $1 a month, like $12 for a whole year, but it's totally worth when you are working with your initial clients. You just started your journey and you don't want to take any risk of losing the client. Just go and invest $12 in this tool. And if you find there could be any other tools in the market, but like I was using this tool for the whole time. I'm using the same tool for like multiple clients in their respective accounts. So that's it for today's video. I hope you got the value from this video. Like the video, share this video so that I can keep creating more content for you and you can keep learning these kind of hacks for local SEO. Let's see you in the next video. Until then, bye.